how to connect Base44 to domain. So over here we have official information by Base44 directly in their official support. So getting started option, basically the setup and troubleshooting guide, which should pretty much connect to connecting Base44 and to your domain. So every Base44 app comes with a free built-in domain like this that you can personalize anytime. So there's no setup or payment that's DNS required. So first, you can change your URL like so. Go to your app's dashboard, domains, click edit URL. Under your app's built-in domain, you can enter a new name for your link. For example, something like this, and click to change save. That's how you change your URL. For the domain path and pretty much how you can connect, you can use your existing domain as so. You can let's say you purchase from GoDaddy or Namecheap, or another provider. You keep full control even if your Base44 subscription ends and something like that. So for the existing domain, you can do this like so. Add your domain, go to dashboard and then domains, then click on connect your domain. So as you can see over here, the built-in domain and then custom domains, and then connect your domain. Enter your domain name as well, then configure the DNS at your register. So you have three options over here. So if you want to connect with either, you can go ahead and do so. So the first option, your register supports a name or alias. This is recommended, so you can do this one much easier as well. Root domain, some code like this, the www subdomain, and you can choose this if anime or alias points your root domain without locking it to a fixed IP address. For the option B, set up using an A record. So root domain, this time it's type A name at, and then the value with the www subdomain, which is something like this. So make sure this is the only A record as well. So if you want to connect to a periodic subdomain, for example, like so, you can add a subdomain in the dashboard, domains exactly as you want it to appear. At your DNS provider, create a CNAME record. So the name, the type, and then the value. So subdomains do not need an A record, only a CNAME pointing to Base44, so make sure to remove any A records. Then just verify your domain. Return to the dashboard, domains, click verify next to your domain, and then allow this amount of time, 48 to 72 hours for the DNS propagation. Once you do that, you should be able to use this recommended domain path. Nice, that's pretty much for the using your existing domain. There is automatic connection, but that's when you buy a domain through Base44. So you can do this by buying domain directly in the domains in your dashboard. As you can see, by domain, you can search for your preferred domain name as so. For tips, you can do this. You can select your preferred domain name and complete the checkout through IONOS. So once the transaction is complete, you will receive an email confirmation and your domain will appear in your dashboard automatically. So the connection is automatic, which is easier. So if you want something more simpler, you can just buy a domain. Base44 handles all the DNS setup for you. You're gonna have to wait for a few minutes though for propagation, and a SSL certificate is issued automatically once it is connected. So you can then just verify your domain. In most cases, your domain will verify automatically. If verification is pending though, you can click on verify in the dashboard and into domains. But that's pretty much how you connect Base44 to domain. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.